About Assam, everyone knows where the state of Assam is. This is a pursuit in terms of teaching our kids where the state is located, a bit of its history, something that we hardly hear of, and how do we educate them on smaller nuances of our state. In that pursuit, I'll be taking them through some of the books that I have read over the years and how do we consolidate our learnings. Well, people might ask, everything is available in Google. Why do you need this? Some might say, it's in Gemini. You just have to write the questions and everything would pop up. Well, I would like to go a bit further than that by asking a very simple question to our childrens. It's more an activity-based series where we will be giving them a small assignments, something that will allow them to get the perspective of where the lovely state of Assam is located, or even the Seven Sisters. Enough for them to learn, appreciate, and over time understand the beauty of the land that we come from. Our first question. In the context of the world map, can you point out where is India? Where is Assam? That's an assignment for you. Just look through. It's okay to get inspiration from your atlases or any other document that you have, or even Google. Please go ahead, check it out. But in this question, you just have to mark the point where it is. So take the trouble. Once we have located where India is, your next task is identify the Seven Sisters. Where are they located? Or rather, these days it's called Seven Sisters and One Brother. I want you to identify them, mark it, and feel free to use a similar map. And finally, if you think this is Assam, I want you to mark the different locations that might be. In fact, the first question for you would be, can you mark the main river that cuts across the state and any city that comes along the way? Please feel free to mark them, highlight it. These are the 3 maps that I want you to look through. Share with us in whatever platform you might be in, and we would like to see the joy of learning together. We ask the right questions and let's see how we collectively learn. The idea here is find Assam in the context of the world, in the context of India, and within Assam, mark the river and the city that you might come from, or anyone that you might have heard in whatever context it might be. We'll keep on learning. Thank you. That's all for today.